Hey guys, so not every day I do a full face of makeup. I usually do a lot of minimal makeup looks just because that's what I'm personally into, and a lot of the times I'm just too tired. I'm probably a lazy makeup chick. But today I am just doing a quick kind of 3 product, easy beach kind of makeup look. I already have a lot of the products that I usually use every day, but I did want to share with you 3 different products I haven't shown you yet. We're going to start off with the blush. This is definitely a more natural blush, not as bright, not as summery, but it's still effective and a little goes a long way. So as you can see, it is a tube. It is very travel friendly. This is the size of the tube. Usually I like to put all of my cream kind of products, even concealer, on the back of my hand as a palette, just to kind of make sure that I apply the desired amount and not too much. I like to build my product. So obviously this is very tiny, as you can see. What I like to do is just pat it, and now it looks like this. As you can see, there's a lot of pigment, and it is going to go a long way. Okay, so now I'm just going to kind of take the rest of that product and go with my other index finger, because that's what I'm using as an application. And I'm just going to almost massage the face, and I instantly love and got a kind of instant color to my face. The Flower Blush Balm is definitely an everyday product in my opinion, so it's definitely going to go in my everyday drawer. I usually don't do reviews on my everyday products, but I am going to from now on. So here is what the Flower Beauty Blush Balm in Pinched looks like, and I'm obsessed. What do you guys think? Very natural, very beautiful, easy to apply, and I know it's affordable, which I will put in the voiceover if I end up doing a voiceover, or in the description box. Next, I'm going to apply the Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in the shade Luminoso. Now I know they are known for their Luminoso blush, which I actually haven't tried, so I am definitely going to try it one of these days. But I did try this and I'm actually really liking it. I already have a lip color on. I'm just gonna top this with this lip topper. And usually with these applicators, very thick doe foot, there's a lot of product on it, and I'm not a product waster. So what I like to do is use this side of the doe foot instead of the flat side with all the product on it. I like to use the side that has the least amount of product first, and I like to apply it right in the middle. So that's what we're gonna do. Right in the center. And this lip plumper is definitely very luminous, and it is comfortable. It feels warm on the lips, it's not sticky, it's lightweight, and the color is sheer, but does give a tiny sheer tint of pink, which is a great natural neutral color. Also, you can use this alone, and the lip plumper part is sensitive lip friendly, meaning it's not hurting my lips at all. I don't feel it, actually. I really don't feel it. I can kind of feel like a minty, refreshing feel to it, but it's also warm at the same time, so this is definitely a must-have. And I wish they had other shades that I like pinky, peachy, corally shades, but I know they have a lot more. So this is the Milani Lip Plumper in the shade Luminoso. And one more product we're going to use at the beach, which I haven't worn and I want to use as an everyday kind of highlighter, is the Farsali Jelly Beam Glow Up. I think they actually have some other shades to this. I think this is the original, but I definitely wanted to try it. It is very interesting when you open it up. It's not very attractive looking. It's like jelly. It's like fat looking. But what I do is I take the excess product that's actually on the cap, because a little goes a long way with this product. So this is the shade Glow Up. Let's go ahead and see what the swatch looks like. So as you can see there, I'm gonna put it right here. As you can see, you can actually use this as a body highlight as well, I feel like. Let's go on the tip of the nose, on the Cupid's bow, and in the inner corner. Whatever's excess, I feel like you can put in the middle right here. But that is the Farsali Jelly Beam Illuminator in the Glow Up. But those three products I'm going to be wearing at the beach, and I actually really love it. What do you guys think? Okay, I'm actually really feeling the refreshing kind of minty feel on the lips now. So it takes a little time, but the Plumper definitely is starting to work. It's just like a cooling, refreshing feel to the lips, still lightweight. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye guys.